How to solve TikTok black screen problem. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device, and after you check on your connections, scroll down to tap on Play Store. As you launch the Play Store application, tap on the search icon at the bottom right corner of the screen and then tap on search bar. Here, simply search for the option of TikTok over here. And as you do that, you'll be able to see if the app is updated or not. As you can see, there's no option of update, which means we have the latest version of TikTok application. So we're going to go back and then make a long press on TikTok, then tap on app info. As you tap on app info, you'll be able to see the option of clear data at the bottom right corner. So tap on it, and here you can see the option of clear cache. So tap on it and then tap on OK. Now go back to the settings, and then as a tap on settings, make sure that you have enough storage on your device, because when you do not have enough storage, the device tends to perform inefficiently. So after checking on the storage, you can just make a long press on power button and then tap on reboot and restart the device, and that's how you can solve TikTok black screen issue. So that's it for today. See you next time.